Hello champions and happy Tuesday. Let's do a quick review before your checkpoint. I know you're going to rock this quiz and show that you are the best Kipsters in all of New Orleans. You're amazing. Let's rock it. Remember, Mr. Smiles also believes in you. Let's get started. Very quickly, before we start our multiplication, make sure that you've filled in your multiplication tables at the top of your page. I'm going to pause the video for a moment so you have a chance to do that. Now let's talk about two-digit multiplication. Remember, when you multiply by two digits, you're splitting your problem into two separate multiplication problems, multiplying by the digit in the ones place and the digit in the tens place. So if I was going to do this problem, 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 more is 43. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 more is 28. When I'm finished with my 8, I'm moving to the tens place. I need to drop a 0 because I'm multiplying by 20, not 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. My final step is to add my partial products. 2, 11, 9, and 9. My answer is 9,912. Now you try one. What's 297 times 36? Let's see how you did. 6 times 2 is 42. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 4 more is 58. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 more is 17. I drop my 0 because I'm multiplying by 30, not 3. 3 is in the tens place. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 2 more is 29. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. My final step is to add my partial products. 2, 9, 16, 10. The final answer is 10,692. When I multiply with three-digit numbers, I follow the same steps. I just need to drop 2 zeros when I get to the hundreds place. So if I was going to multiply 714 times 253, I would start by multiplying 3 times everything. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. 3 times 7 is 21. I'm done with my 3. Now, 5 is in the tens place. It's worth 50, so I drop 1 0. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 more is 7. 5 times 7 is 35. I'm done multiplying in the tens place, so I cross out the 5 and the 2. Now, 2 is in the hundreds place, so I need to drop 2 zeros. Now I can multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. And I can add 2, 4, 16, 10, 8, 1. My final answer is 180,642. Now you try one. 864 times 194. Let's see how you did. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 more is 25. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 more is 34. Done with my 4. Drop 1 0 because 9 is in the tens place. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 3 more is 57. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 5 more is 77. Done with my 9. Drop 2 zeros because 1 is in the hundreds place. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 8 is 8. Now I can add 6, 11, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 7 is 12, plus 4 is 16, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 7 is 11, plus 6 is 17, and 16. My answer is 167,660. You are going to absolutely rock your checkpoint. Make sure that you've torn the front page off of your packet so that Mr. Gibson can collect it, and then log into KNOS Illuminate. Do a great job.